As soon as you enter the Google campus, you'll see this beautiful building standing tall. Just right there, you'll see the visitors parking, and that is where you'll probably park your car. Don't forget to notice this particular point where you have charging points for electric cars. And this is absolutely free for Google employees. Isn't that cool? Imagine not paying for your gas ever or not paying for any charge ever. You can also see these colorful bikes which has all four Google colors, and employees use this a lot to run across and like go here and there across the campus, and it's really cool. Can you see these guys enjoying their Shahi Savari? Look at them, how comfortable they are. This is a scene from a weekday, a Monday about 6:30 p.m. You will see lots of tourists on weekends, but you'll also see a lot of tourists coming visiting the place on weekdays. You can see lots of tourists taking pictures, and at the same time, you can see Googlers working, biking, and getting dinner. As I said, this was about 6:30 in the evening. Notice how casual everything is. It doesn't look like a workplace to me. The outfits are casual, people are having meetings outside, working out in the sun, playing volleyball, running and walking their dogs. And they don't seem to be concerned or bothered that there are so many visitors here. They are just doing their thing, and the visitors and tourists are doing their thing. This guy is affectionately known as Stan. It's somewhere that the founders of Google were responsible for the purchase of this to remind employees each and every day that it is the responsibility of Google to remain both relevant and creative. If they do not, they will fade into the past, much like the dinosaur portrayed outside. This is the visitors center where you'll get your visitors badge, because you cannot really move around the campus without a visitors badge. So a Google employee will actually escort you throughout the campus. And this thing right here is really cool. It's called the live search wall, and you can actually see what all is being searched or so-called Googled all over the world in real time via this continuous updated visible database. Oh, and I really wanted to show you guys this. This is a new thing, a new addition in the Google campus, and I don't want to say anything, just take a look of what this is. And then there's the famous Yoshka's Cafe. Also see the Spaceship One aircraft here. And more bikes. You can clearly see that I'm obsessed with these bikes. Now here comes everyone's favorite, Android Garden or Android Lawn. This place is so cool. It has all the versions of Android so far. Look around, can you spot your favorite one? Let me know in the comment section below which of these is your favorite. Look at this little one enjoying its dinner. Oh, and this fellow is looking at everyone's food and waiting for his own. Google has many cafes on its campus, and this particular campus has like many cafes which has different cuisines. Wait, Noogler Spotted. Look at this person's bag. There's a hat, with a fan on it. So these hats are actually given to Nooglers. Meanwhile, this guy is still waiting for the food. Oops, tired. So Google offers not just free snacks and beverages but also free food to its employees. This scene is from a Monday evening where everyone is enjoying their dinner. This is like about 6:37 p.m. Did you know that Google campus has organic gardens where they grow many of the fresh vegetables used in the campus restaurants? Look at these little vegetables. There's dill, chives, lemons, they're so cute. Oh, and my favorite, chilies. Here are a few more spots from inside and around the Google campus. Enjoy!
डर तो कुछ कीजिए ना मम्मा, कुछ। हाँ देखिए 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 देखिए, हंसे तो चेंज हुआ, गुस्सा हुई गुस्सा। कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, वाइट हो जा रहा है। आई थिंक मम्मी का पीसफुल फेस है इसलिए वो वाइट रह रहा है। ओके बाय कर।